The court, in the same breath, erases the marriage and then reinforces the husband's financial obligation with a massive 150% increase in support. So, after years of legal battles, the case works its way all the way up to the Bombay High Court, which delivered its final verdict in 1994. And that decision? It was split into two very distinct parts. First, on the main issue of the marriage itself, the court sided with the husband. It found that, yes, the wife did in fact have leprosy before the wedding, and that hiding this material fact was fraud under the law at the time. So the marriage was officially annulled, basically treated as if it had never even happened. But wait, that wasn't the end of it. The judges also looked at the wife's situation. I mean, with the marriage gone, she was left in a really vulnerable spot. So the court turned its attention to her financial support, what's known as maintenance. The lower court had awarded the wife just 200 rupees per month. But the high court, after looking at the husband's tailoring business, declared that amount was, and I quote, too inadequate. So in a pretty significant move, they more than doubled the payment to 500 rupees per month. I mean, think about that for a second. The court, in the same breath, erases the marriage and then reinforces the husband's financial obligation with a massive 150% increase in support. It was this really remarkable balancing act of justice.